Hello guys, welcome to Bit1 Grade. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to forecast the stock price of uh, Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, which is listed on uh, Nasdaq of in a U.S. Stock exchange. Okay, so I'm going to use the stock price data of Tesla to forecast 1 day later price. Okay, and I'm going to use the random forest machine learning model. Okay, so first you need to install this uh, Yahoo Finance library. Okay, and you can do that by I recommend you to use the Anaconda, and this is the Spider. Okay, and you can use Spider by installing Anaconda, and you can install Yahoo Finance library by going to command prompt of the Anaconda and install this Yahoo Finance library. And in the command prompt, you type in pip install y finance. Okay, so this is how you install Yahoo Finance library. And I need a NumPy, and also I'm going to use the scikit-learn. Okay, so this is for random forest rest model. Okay, hey, and by the way, there are more Python code available at our website, which is www.bit1grade.com. Okay, so if you have time, please visit our website, and also please subscribe this channel. Okay, let's get things going. Okay, so first, we need Tesla price data. So, and I'm going to use the Yahoo Finance. Okay, here. So DF will be the database that we are going to build by requesting data from Yahoo Finance library. Okay, and you can do that by typing in this command. And this is the ticker for Tesla. Okay, and we need to specify the start and end. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2022 January 1st, and end would be year 2022 April 23rd. Okay, and adjust the true, progress false. Okay, so let's see what happens if we do this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna execute this. Okay, now, okay, okay, so now we have all the data, okay, that we need. uh Starting here. Okay, so we have the data from year 2021, 21 last day of year 2021, because January 1st is the day that stock exchange closed, and we have up to April 22nd. Okay, 23rd is not available yet. Okay, so this is the data we got from Yahoo Finance. Okay, and we need to specify target, and we are going to ask the model to forecast the 1 day later close price of Tesla. Okay, so we do this, and then we need to specify the training set and the uh, test set. Okay, and the X would be all variables excluding target and the date. Okay, so using the remaining columns, data from remaining columns, we are going to predict the target. Okay, the value in target. Target is the 1 day later close price. Okay, as we defined here. You defined here to specify which row will be in the training set, and using U, we are going to specify the test set. Okay, and we are going to train based on the parameters that we defined earlier. Okay, and this is the sample. This is the cross validation process. Okay, so we are going to split the data into 10 subset. Okay, to find the best set of parameters that produce the best predicted price. And for cross validation, I'm going to use the grid search. Grid search is going to try every combination that I defined here. Okay, so n estimators and max depth, and of course you can, if your computer has more computing power, you can try more combinations. Okay, but for this example, I'm going to keep it rather simple. Okay, so this grid search command, this will find a set of combination that will produce the least mean squared error. Okay, and we are going to use the parameter set from this cross validation process to predict the best prediction. Okay. Okay, so finally, we are going to produce the 1 day later Tesla forecasted price. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay. Okay, so downloading the data from Yahoo, and computer is calculating. Okay, so this will be the close price of Tesla on April 23rd, based on our random forest model. Okay, so and another thing is this code will be available on bit1grade.com. Okay, so if you're interested, you can download it from the website, and okay, so and in case you don't want to download, then I will show you the entire grid, so you can just manually copy and copy down. Okay, so this is the entire code that I used in this video. So okay, so this is the end of this short video on how to predict Tesla's stock price using machine learning, specifically random forest model. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel, and I will come back with a more useful video. Thank you.